Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Hasbro gaming collection. This time, guys, it's none other than the detective game Clue. But before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this game, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright, so now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Here we have the title of the game, Clue. And down below it says a game of detectives and intrigue. And then below it says history, rules, and curious facts. And here we have the front with some of the characters of the game. And that it also includes the instructions, of course. And then here it talks a bit about how Clue was developed. And then it goes down there at the bottom and more into this page, the different characters. Personally, I was always Miss Scarlet when I played this, because that was my favorite. If you guys played this before, tell me who do you always try to play as. Tell me down in the comments below. And here it gives like some curious facts about Clue. And then here it gives some strategies of how to win in Clue. And then here we have some games to play. A few different ones. And then here on the other page, this last page, we have the instructions of how to play the game. And then here we have the back page. And now it's time to check out the box before we open it up and see the contents inside. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so here we have the box. Here we have the front. Clue from Hasbro Gaming. Very cool. Here is the side. The top. The other side. the bottom here, and of course the back. And well, now it's time to open this up, so let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, so now it's time to check out the things that we got before we cut them out. So first up we have the cards here. First we have all the character cards, and then like the weapons and the different rooms of the mansion. And we also have like here we have like the envelope where the true guilty person would be, and then it comes with these that are going to be the different people that are on the board, and then 2 dice and different weapons that could have been used for the murder, which are going to be scattered during the game. And then here we have the detective card to figure out the who, the why, and the where. And there's many pages. And well, now it's time to tear these all out and show you what they look like on the board. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so we have everything taken apart and put on the board, and we wanted to show you. So here we have the weapons. So rope, wrench, candlestick, gun, pipe down here, and knife down here. And then also we have the little tokens that represent the characters here, and then these 2 here as well. And of course we have the dice and the little envelope to put the clues in. And we also took apart the cards, so those are cool there. And then we have the card for the clues for while you play. You guys tell us, what do you guys think of this collection? What do you think of this game? What do you think of Clue? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And of course, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, be sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified for whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Toast's Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.